Assalamu alaikum. We're looking at the vocabulary skill, and the vocabulary skill is about using the dictionary. Specifically, it's about the meaning of words that have different meanings, but they're spelled the same and they're pronounced the same, but they have different meanings. Let me give you a quick example. You know the meaning of the word book. You are studying a book in class, or you read a book at home, and this is a noun, and you know the meaning of this. But there's another word, book, and the spelling is the same, and the way we pronounce it, the way we say it is the same. But this word is a verb. So, for example, I can say, I want to travel to another city. I need somewhere to stay. So I book a room in a hotel. I book a hotel room. So it's a different meaning, the same spelling, the same pronunciation as book, textbook, reading book, but it has a different meaning. So when you look for the meanings of these words, book and book, when you look for the meaning of these words in the dictionary, usually if the word has the same part of speech, if it's the same part of speech, so if there's a word book, noun, and this noun has more than one meaning, you will find it in one dictionary entry, in one place in the dictionary. And then you will find another entry for the other part of speech. So if this part of speech, the verb has more than one meaning, and it does, you can find it after the first entry in the dictionary. Let's look at the example that they've given us. They've given us this example, light. And the first entry, so this is the dictionary entry, the first entry is talking about the noun, the part of speech is the noun, and they've given us two meanings. So you have two meanings of light, noun. The first meaning, the energy from the sun, so this is the sun, and the energy that you get from the sun, this is light. So this is the first meaning. And the second meaning, something that produces light, for example, an electric lamp. Let's say this is a light also. So this is a noun, this is a noun. They are both nouns, but they're different meanings. So you'll find them in the same dictionary entry because they're both the same part of speech. But if you were to look at the next entry in the dictionary, so this is a separate entry in the dictionary, it's given us the meaning of light, three different meanings, but not the noun. It's given us the meaning of the adjective, So you have three meanings of the adjective light. So the third meaning, let's start with the third meaning, not of great weight. So let's say you have a scale here, and you have 10 kilograms here, and you have a feather. This is a feather. The feather is light. We're talking about an adjective. We're describing the feather, which is a noun, with the adjective light. Another meaning of light, adjective, pale in color, not dark. So for example, let's say this is dark green, this is dark green, and this is light green, this is light green. So this is another meaning of light, the second meaning. And the third meaning of light that they've given us is that it's in the summer, it's still light at 9 o'clock. In London, for example, at 9 o'clock, the sun hasn't gone down. It's light outside. It's like daytime. So they're saying that the nouns, you'll find them in one place in the dictionary, and the adjectives, you'll find them in one place in the dictionary, in one entry. And if there were verbs, then you'd find them all together in another place in the dictionary. You need to check in the dictionary. Many words have more than one meaning, and you need to check in the dictionary what the meaning is exactly. usually you'd find the parts of speech grouped together in the same entry. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Thank you.